I'm Jasmine with WTI, and my little buddies are large inflatable monkeys from the brand Bedwina. They are so adorable. You get 3 in a pack and they're really easy to blow up. They have this little thing here that you just pull up and blow into it, close it, and you're done. Super simple and easy, and they are just so adorable. We recently used them at our baby shower. We included them in our balloon arch, and it was such a fun addition to the arch. We also have one hanging on the sign, and they're so durable. You can definitely reuse these for other parties or for your decorating your kids' room, and they're just so fun and cute. So if you're in the market for some inflatable monkeys, look no further. Check out Bedwina. These monkeys are very durable, they're super cute, and they're going to bring your party to the next level. Or if you just want to hang them in your kids' room, you can do that too. That's my point of view.